continuous, when and while. Aqui a gente vai para a segunda parte do past continuous, onde a gente vai utilizar when, quando, e while, enquanto. Let's go! So, past continuous, só relembrando, para que a gente usa o past continuous? Primeiro, para uma ação que estava acontecendo no passado, em um determinado momento. Exemplo, I was cooking dinner at 7 o'clock yesterday. Eu estava cozinhando ou fazendo o jantar às 7 horas ontem. Também para indicar que duas ações estavam ocorrendo ao mesmo tempo. Por exemplo, she was reading while he was writing. Enquanto ela está, desculpa, ela estava lendo enquanto ele estava escrevendo. Duas ações ao mesmo tempo. Também para indicar que uma ação que estava em andamento foi interrompida por outra ação. Exemplo, we were watching TV when the power went out. Nós estávamos vendo TV quando a energia acabou. Lembrando que no past continuous, quando a gente usa o when, a gente usa automaticamente o simple past. Então, o que a gente precisa? Voltar lá na aulinha de Simple Past e revisar o Simple Past dos verbos regulares, que são aqueles verbos que têm o passado próprio deles, tipo, went é o passado de go, então, go, went. Por exemplo, verb to be, que seria was, were, que é o que a gente está usando aqui como auxiliar, certo? E quando o verbo é regular, é aquela regrinha de acrescentar ed, aí fica mais tranquilo. Então, caso você tenha dúvidas ainda de como é o Simple Past, volta na aula de Simple Past. Então, continuando, quando a gente tem uma ação que é interrompida por outra, a gente vai usar a primeira, uma ação no Past Continuous e a outra no Simple Past. Também para definir uma cena ou dar contexto a uma história. Exemplo, it was raining and the people were running for cover. Nessa situação aqui, ó, note que eu não usei nem when e nem while. Eu usei só esse complemento and, que significa e. Então, estava chovendo e as pessoas estavam correndo para se abrigar, ok? Então, essas são as situações do past continuous. Vamos para as frases prontas? Aqui eu fiz uma listinha com 15 frases usando when e depois mais 15 usando while. Primeira, when I was watching TV when the power went out. Eu estava assistindo TV quando a energia acabou. Lembrando que a gente precisa saber o simple past nessa situação. Então, passado de go, went. 2. She was cooking dinner when the phone rang. Ela estava fazendo o jantar, preparando o jantar quando o telefone tocou novamente. Ring é o presente, rang, passado. Listinha de verbos irregulares. 3. They were studying when the teacher entered the room. Eles estavam estudando quando a professora ou o professor entrou na sala. Então, enter é um verbo regular e por isso a gente usou ed, ok? 4. He was driving when he saw an accident. Ele estava dirigindo quando ele viu, só é o passado do verbo se ver, um acidente. 5. We were walking in the park when it started to rain. Nós estávamos andando, caminhando no parque quando começou a chover. Então, começou, verbo regular, só acrescenta ed. 6. The kids were playing outside when it began to snow. As crianças estavam brincando no parque quando começou a nevar. Então, begin é o presente, began, passado. 7. I was sleeping when the alarm went off. Eu estava dormindo quando o alarme tocou. 8. She was writing a letter when her friend arrived. Ela estava escrevendo uma carta quando seu amigo ou sua amiga chegou. Now let's repeat. Repita. 1. I was watching TV when the power went out. 2. She was cooking dinner when the phone rang. 3. They were studying when the teacher entered the room. 4. He was driving when he saw an accident. 5. We were walking in the park when it started to rain. 6. The kids were playing outside when it began to snow. 7. I was sleeping when the alarm went off. 8. She was writing a letter when her friend arrived. Para mais bloquinho. 9. They were dancing when the music stopped suddenly. Eles estavam dançando quando a música parou de repente. Lembrando que stop tá com 2 P's, porque consoante, vogal, consoante, dobra a última consoante e depois acrescenta a D. Então fica stopped com double P. 10. He was reading a book when he heard a noise. Ele estava lendo um livro quando ele escutou um barulho. 11. I was swimming in the pool when I felt something strange. Eu estava nadando na piscina quando eu senti algo estranho. 12. She was preparing lunch when her phone buzzed. Ela estava preparando o almoço quando o telefone tocou. 13. They were laughing when the teacher called them out. Eles estavam rindo quando a professora os chamou. 14. We were having a conversation when the guests came. Nós estávamos tendo uma conversa quando os convidados chegaram. 15. He was fixing his bike when it started to rain. Ele estava consertando a bicicleta quando começou a chover. Now let's repeat. Repeat. They were dancing when the music stopped suddenly. 10. He was reading a book when he heard a noise. I was swimming in the pool when I felt something strange. She was preparing lunch when her phone buzzed. They were laughing when the teacher called them out. We were having a conversation when the guests came. He was fixing his bike when it started to rain. E agora vamos para as frases com while, enquanto. 1. She was singing while he was playing the guitar. Ela estava cantando enquanto ele estava tocando violão. Lembrando que guitar significa violão, ok? 2. They were cooking dinner while we were setting the table. Eles estavam fazendo o jantar enquanto nós estávamos organizando, arrumando a mesa. 3. I was reading a book while she was studying. Eu estava lendo um livro enquanto ela estava estudando. 4. He was working on his project while it was raining outside. Ele estava trabalhando em seu projeto, seu no sentido dele, tá, gente? Esse his é dele, ou seja, ele estava trabalhando no projeto dele quando começou a chover. 5. We were dancing while the band was playing. Nós estávamos dançando enquanto a banda estava tocando. 6. The kids were running around while their parents were talking. As crianças estavam correndo em volta enquanto seus pais estavam conversando, falando. 7. I was cleaning the house while my brother was watching TV. Eu estava limpando a casa enquanto meu irmão estava vendo TV. 8. She was listening to music while doing her homework. Ela estava escutando música enquanto fazia sua tarefa de casa. Now let's repeat. Repita. She was singing while he was playing the guitar. They were cooking dinner while we were setting the table. I was reading a book while she was studying. He was working on his project while it was raining outside. We were dancing while the band was playing. The kids were running around while their parents were talking. I was cleaning the house while my brother was watching TV. She was listening to music while doing her homework. E vamos para a segunda parte agora. 1. They were waiting at the bus station while the train was delayed. Eles estavam esperando na estação enquanto o trem estava atrasado. 2. He was drawing a picture while his sister was painting. Ele estava fazendo um desenho enquanto sua irmã estava pintando. 3. We were planning the trip while they were organizing their things. Nós estávamos planejando uma viagem enquanto eles estavam organizando suas coisas. 4. The students were working on their assignments while the teacher was helping them. Os estudantes estavam fazendo suas tarefas enquanto o professor ou a professora estava ajudando eles. 5. She was cooking dinner while he was setting the table. Ela estava fazendo o jantar e ele estava arrumando a mesa, enquanto ele estava arrumando a mesa. 6. I was organizing my room while she was studying in the next room. Eu estava organizando o meu quarto enquanto ela estava estudando no quarto ao lado. 7. They were chatting while the film was playing. Eles estavam batendo papo enquanto o filme estava tocando. Let's repeat. They were waiting at the station while the train was delayed. He was drawing a picture while his sister was painting. We were planning the trip while they were organizing their things. The students were working on their assignments while the teacher was helping them. She was cooking dinner while he was setting the table. I was organizing my room while she was studying in the next door. They were chatting while the movie was playing. E essa foi a nossa segunda aula de past continuous e na próxima aula a gente vai fazer exercícios de fixação, ok? So, bye bye, see you next class.